So here's the setup that I just used. I wasn't sure if it was going to work or not, so I didn't bother to record it, but anyway, it worked. Just the pole concreted into the ground, wedged under there, strapped a block around to get the angle, jacked it down to the ground, and it popped through, popped off, gave it a bit of a bang with the hammer, and off it came, just like that. So there you go. Okay, that wasn't so bad getting that popped over that edge either. Worked out alright. Definitely recommend using the spoons to be able to get that off. Better job safely. As you can see here though, look how rusty that is. That's terrible. Might come up alright, you'll see. But that's the tire halfway off. Just so you know, I think I might have said before, but I don't recommend using this. I recommend getting yourself a set of the proper spoons to do this job with. As these here just wreck and damage and mark everything. But first, and that there's where the valve was sticking through. So, gotta fix that. That should do. these holes around here though. There's a whole bunch around this edge. Just there. So there's quite a few. So slowly, piece by piece, of getting these bits welded in. I'll weld that there and I'll bend it up and weld a bit more, and a bit more, a bit more, and just pull it all into place as I go around. Just through there. As you can't see. And there's still a few other bits, so just do one area at a time though. See how we get on. Well, that came up a bit better than I expected it to come up. Choice. Alright, that's another bit done. Next. Have a quick squiz over top of there.